MotoSport.com was founded in 1999. To commemorate that, we're giving away 2 dirt bikes. 2 lucky winners will have the choice of a 1999 rookie Carmichael Replica KX250 built by Pro Circuit, or a 2019 Kawasaki 250 decked out with the best performance upgrades. On top of that, each winner will be provided with a head-to-toe set of Fox racing gear, as well as a chance to join MotoSport.com for a VIP experience at the Washougal National, July 27th.
Hey everyone, Roy Sloan with MotoSport.com. We just concluded building our 1999 KX125, and we're going to transition into building a 2019 KX250. 2 bikes, 2 lucky winners. So Pro Circuit recommends that we put anti-seize on the front of the header pipe as well as the mid pipe. So we're gonna just gently tighten up the header pipe bolts, the mid pipe, and then eventually when we get the silencer on, so we're putting the Pro Circuit system on. This is a full tie system. What it's gonna do over the stock system is lighten the bike up and also create flow and up horsepower. We've pulled off the wheels. We're gonna upgrade the stopping system on this bike. What that means is we're putting braking rotors on front and rear. The front gets an oversize and the rear gets an upgraded braking rotor. So our goal with this build is to give you nothing but the best. So on this build, we're taking off the stock sprockets and putting on what Pro Circuit runs. They're winning championships, so we're gonna put on Renthal sprockets front and rear, as well as a Renthal chain. So tune in next week. We're gonna wrap up this Kawasaki 250 build. It's gonna be awesome. Enter weekly to win.